what essentially do you enjoy in this Igbo culture put together?
I love how the community comes together, how we celebrate our own, and how we, wish success for the future. I love that coming together, especially during the holiday season. It's so difficult to travel.
In a sentence, what's your message to Chidera today?
Chidera, you got this. This is an amazing experience, and we wish the best for you in the years ahead. And hopefully, this is just the start of your relationship with your culture on a deeper level. So we're excited for you.
All right. Okay. So your name?
Chinenye,
Your message for Chidera?
You were born for this. That's all I have to say.
Your name?
Agina.
Your message for Chidera?
Hindsight is 2020. I think you'll look back on this and be like, wow, this was amazing. So good job today.
Thank you. Congrats. Okay, take them a good picture. So post for book, please.
Igbos in diaspora. Here is an illustration of what it is like when we talk about Akuluo. For many, it means building a house in one's hometown. For others, it is bringing one's business to his or her hometown. In this series, we shall be looking at an example of Akuluo in a different perspective. When your children are born and grown in the diaspora, there is need to help them trace back to their roots. I mean their ancestral hometown. In Anambra State, one man showed a good example of this. Chief Cornelius Agina, Ebekwedike of Ethiopia, is an Igbo man based in the US with his family. He took the bold step not only to bring his children home, he also ensured that 2 of his sons were vested with the prestigious Ozo title. Kosisochukwu Agina as Ebubechukwu, one of his Ethiopia, and Chidera Agina as Ozo Ugonnaya.
Ị ga-atụ nzi ibe gị nga? Mba, agaghị eme. Ị ga-atụ nzi ibe gị nga? Mba. Ị ga-awụkọ nze? Mba, agaghị eme. Ị ga-awụkọ nze? Mba. Ị ga-awụkọ nze? Mba. Anaghị awụkọ nze awụkọ. Onye isi ụzọ tachara ya. Abata ugbu ndị nọ n'ụlọ wee ma na nze abatawala. Akụpe awụ ihe ọma bata bụbata ya ọ na-ntị eme nke ọjọọ bata ubie wepụ ewepụ na nso nwe ihe jikọrọ nze na ihe ọjọọ. Nzu ume ugo na-abụ ka ọwụ nọkọ nzu ume ka ị na-eji. Ana m achọ ikpughe gị okwu a n'afọ onye isi nzu ume, n'afọ onye isi nzu ume ka m na-ekpughe gị akwa na m na-ekpughe gị okwu a.
Let your world get home. Akuluo. Please enjoy their dance steps. Jennifer is Elibe. Thank you.
Aya, the first man. Esa la nueva de tu,
You're on a traditional regalia today. What title were you crowned recently?
Ebebe Chikuzo.
Say it again.
Ebebe Chikuzo.
How do you feel being a recipient of this title?
I feel good. I help my family out. And I'm honored that they want to give me this title, and I'm honored to be a part of the Supreme Court of the city.
Yeah, what excites you most about the culture?
I like the dancing, I like the family aspect, and the tradition. The tradition excites me the most.
Yeah. So what do you say to your daddy and your family for supporting you?
I want to say thank you to all of them for supporting me throughout this, and to continue to support me throughout my life. Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay. What's your name?
Chidera Ogina.
Okay. What titles were you given today?
Umbe Oguna.
Ume Ogonna. So, what excites you more about the Igbo culture today?
Is everyone coming out and supporting me and coming out to see this event and getting my title.
Okay. What's your message to your parents, mom and dad, for giving you this opportunity?
Thank you for everything, for putting me in this position and like setting up all this for me to get the title.
All right. Thank you. You're welcome. So far, so good. You are bringing your kids to understand the culture of the Igbo race. What is the motivation?
The motivation is to show them their fatherland. America is not their fatherland. It was an opportunity for them to go to US. I have a home here. This is the origination of our life.
What's your message to other Igbo parents?
Well, everybody has to decide. For me, I've decided that they are going to know their root. This is their root. And it's very important for me for them to know their root. And they are enjoying it. They like it.
So ịma na ụmụaka ha nọrọ n'ụlọ so ihe a na-eme taa amaka iji wee na-egosi ha na anyị nwere omenala amaka.
Ama na before ha na-akwadote ichife ọzọ ọ ife n'ụkwakọrịta gị na chief kedu ife motivate gị iji permit ka ụmụaka gị si America gachie ọzọ?
Ọ ka iji wee gwa ha na o nwere ebe anyị si maka na ịbịa na America ebe anyị nọ enweghị ihe dịka omenala otu osisi ọ gị na-eme ebe a mana ihe anyị natara ime kịta egosigo ha na o nwere ebe anyị si omenala dị omenala amaka omenala be ndị dịwalụ.
How can you describe the Igbo culture in your own perspective? In your own perspective, what can you say about the Igbo culture?
It's rich. It's significant. It's purposeful. There's a lot of history, historic. So I'm just happy to uncover the layers and figure out where I'm from, where I come from, where my parents' story started.
Your congratulatory message to Kosi. Your message to Kosi. Your congratulatory message. Your wishes to him.
Yes. My wishes for my brother are that I'm super happy for him. I'm excited, and I hope this is just the beginning of his relationship to our culture and our homeland Nigeria. So he can really take the time to figure out who he is. He can start here. So this is
What's
great.
your name again?
Sonachi.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Are you scared?
No, I need to emphasize it.
Okay, so what's happening today in your
My brother is getting a chief title, the awesome.
awesome title?
Awesome.
Okay, so also types of shine. How do you feel about the whole display of Igbo culture?
I think it's cool. I'm ready to see the masquerades. I want to see my brothers dance. They're usually very shy.
Okay, what's your message for him? Congratulatory message for him.
Congrats, Kosi. You're getting this before you're 18. Huge achievement. Not even in a university yet, so it's big.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Well,
You know what's happening today?
Yes.
What is it?
Today's the Ichiozo ceremony for my first brother, Kosi Egina.
How do you feel about the Igbo culture being displayed today?
It's very beautiful. I feel as though it's a perfect opportunity for me and my family and everyone here to witness the culture, as you just said, in a very concentrated space.
What's your congratulatory message for Kosi?
Congratulations on your title. You're gonna very much grow into it as well, but you're now a big boy. Yes.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.